All right, let's unbox this new Tyent shower filter. So it says effectively removes or reduces over 99% of chlorine, byproducts such as THMs, HAA, and many more, unpleasant odors, sediment, and organic matter. So let's see, with double filters inside. Okay, so right here it has chlorine removal up to 99%. Right here, there's nothing in there. Right here, 4 amazing benefits. Gentle on your skin, protects lungs from chlorine fumes, no more dry, itchy skin, safeguards your hair from chlorine to give you silkier, shiny hair. Okay, here's the address, performance data. Alright. So up to 10,000 to 13,000 gallons. Okay. Operating temperature, pressure, water flow, outlet thread specification, net weight, filter, media, cotton filter, activated composite carbon filter. Alright. At the back says unique double filter design. Alright. Okay, let's open it up. So I go. Alright. I have only one hand here, so bear with me. So with this filter, we get this nice slick design. It has that digital once you press start, then it will start up. There you go. It's gonna do the countdown, so I gotta turn it off. 180. All right. So this one goes to your thing on your pipe, water pipe, and this one you can put your own shower filter, or you can use the one that comes with it. There's a, let's see what else is in here. Somewhere here. Alright, so you can use this massage shower filter. Alright, can you use that? So many holes for massage. Okay, you can plug that in there and then screw it in there, and then there you go. Turn on your faucet and you get a massage. So I'm gonna open up this thing. So I unscrew the top part. So nothing in there. So basically you have this cloth filter, like a cotton filter. So this one filters the lot of those heavy metals. So as you can see, it's pretty thick in there. And this one is the one that you can just remove. And this one has a carbon filter in there. Filters the chlorine in your water. Okay, so that's basically that. So every so often, because you get this extra one, not the carbon one, but just the this replacement one. So this cotton filter, this one, it says here 180 days. So 180 days, that's good for how many days? 6 months. So you could probably use this to put this to replace that. That'll probably like once your water, you can feel that your water is probably getting low in pressure, then you know that this probably so dirty already. So you can remove it and pop this in. So lifetime is about 180 days, says here, but blockage is easily caused if the water quality is poor. Please replace this filter when clogging occurs or the water pressure lessens. So it probably, if your water quality is really, really dirty, it's probably not gonna last like 6 months. So that's why, we're giving you guys an extra one. So, but the whole thing is pretty much good for 6 months. Then you have to replace them. So this one also, so let's say in 3 months, this one gets, your water pressure gets really, really slow. Then you can pop this in. So you can get the most of it. Most benefit. Good pressure, water pressure. So you have an instruction here. I'm not even gonna bother to open it up, but because we can see it, there's an extra o-ring. This o-ring goes here, so if it happens this o-ring goes bad, you can replace this one, replace that with this one. And you can use this as a tool. There's a tool like it's a plastic wrench. Then you can screw this filter, water filter in your shower. So just put that in there. And put it like that. There you go. That's the shower filter. Showerlux shower filter, the new one. And you can plug this in here. All right. Hope you guys like it.